meat found to contain excessively high antibiotic levels. The US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has issued a warning letter to a California state dairy farm which sold a cow for meat containing antibiotic levels 11 times higher than the accepted level of 0.05 parts per million. The investigation also found that the farm ignored approved labeling for the product, which indicated a withdrawal period for stopping the antibiotics use, and did not consult a licensed veterinarian for off-the-label drug administration.
Medical experts have become increasingly concerned about excessive antibiotic use in the livestock industry, especially with the recent rise noted in antibiotic-resistant infections in humans. US Food and Drug Administration, we appreciate your efforts to protect public health. Let us join in caring for animals and humans alike by turning to the safe and humane alternative of the plant-based fare.